Green-powered Kempo juicer. The incomparable performance of Kempo juicer is based on the three-way BioClean system. First, the mechanical environment. The Jongs type clean gear, which was invented by the company for the first time in the world, was specially designed in such a way as to prevent the contact of metal or plastic, so that the metallic and plastic powders are not generated, ensuring both safety and hygiene. The parts that come into contact with juice are made of stainless and specially enhanced plastic, so they are neither scratched nor oxidized easily. The Jongs type clean gear, which was designed based on the compression method of pressing vegetables and fruits according to the theory of Dr. Norman Walker, the father of fresh juice, is capable of compressing juice effectively for small and hard seeds to highly fibrous vegetables. With an excellent compression capability, this juicer is highly economical. Also, the gear combines fertilizers or heavy metals to the remainders and discharges them. And the gear makes clear, clean, and pure juice that meets the standards for potable water set by the World Health Organization. Second, juice environment. The size of the Jongs type clean gear was reduced by minimizing the surface area that can be oxidized in order to create an optimal juice environment. With only 160 rotations per minute only, destruction of nutrition was drastically reduced, so that the nutrition level is 4 to 5 times more compared to other juicers that employ high rotation. Also, the juice bowl within which are built in a clean gear and a suds eliminating mechanism. And the fruit pusher contain a special neodymium magnet and low-temperature bioceramic generating hexagonal magnetic ion juice, enhancing the body absorption rate with magnetism and far infrared ray, thereby softening the taste of fresh juice and preventing damage or loss of nutrition when kept refrigerated for a long time. Third, natural environment. Cleaning is easy so that the juicer could be used conveniently at home. Also, the juicer was designed with special attention on safety so that even children may use the juicer safely. Also, the product is quiet and without any vibration because it has an ultra-precision motor and reduction gear. In addition, the product uses only environment-friendly parts that have been approved by the UL and FDA, so that there is little need to worry about pollution. Let's check the name of each part of the Kempo juicer and how to assemble the juicer. There is the opening to which various ingredients are inputted. Also, there are case and cover. Also, there is the fixed lever that fixes the cover to the main body, and the switch button that manipulates the movement of the steering, stopping, and reverse movement. Lastly, there are juice bowls, in which juice is contained, and a dedicated cup for remainders. The accessories are as follows. There is one pair of Jongs type clean gear, which has been patented internationally. The vegetable screen, which generates vegetable juice. Fruit screen, which makes fruit juice. Grinding screen, which grinds beef. Pulp discharge casing. And white knob for vegetable and red knob for fruit, which are attached to the pulp discharging case. Lastly, there is the fruit pusher, vegetable pusher, and brush. Now let's check how to assemble the juicer. First, hold the clean gear with 2 hands. The important point here is to integrate the clean gear to the main body by combining the red dot and 2 red dots on the opposite side. There are various ways to assemble the Kempo juicer depending on the ingredients. First, let's learn how to assemble the juicer for vegetables. Put together the vegetable screen. Then put the white knob for vegetable to the pulp discharge casing by fitting the groove. For fruits, put together the fruit screen instead of the vegetable screen. Then put together the red knob for fruit at the pulp discharge casing. You should be careful to put the parts together by fitting the 2 grooves and should put the pulp discharge casing close to the main body. Lastly, leave the pulp discharge case empty after putting together the press screen, with which various ingredients could be processed. After you put the parts according to the ingredients, put the cover to the main body and fix the cover by fixing the fixed lever. Put the juice bowl close to the main body and put the remainder bottle in front. Now put the power switch on and operate the juicer. When putting ingredients to the opening, hold the vegetable pusher and fruit pusher for vegetables and fruits, respectively, so that you can make fresh juice more conveniently. Now, let's make delicious juice and various health dishes using the Kempo juicer. Now let's make fresh vegetable juice. Put the vegetable screen to the clean gear and insert the white knob for vegetables to the pulp discharge casing. Then utilize the vegetable pusher to the opening and put vegetables to make vegetable juice conveniently. The Kempo juicer, which has an excellent compression rate, can effectively compress highly fibrous vegetables which can't be compressed into juice easily. This time, let's make delicious fruit juice. After combining the fruit screen and red knob for fruit, put appropriately sliced fruit to the opening. Then press the fruit pusher to create a delicious fruit juice. Now let's make various vegetables and fruit juices. Put the vegetable screen to the clean gear and put the red knob for fruit to the pulp discharge casing. Then put various vegetables and fruits to the opening and press to the end with the vegetable pusher. Well, let's make fresh wheatgrass juice. Wheatgrass juice has up to 23 times more nutrition than full-ground vegetable and is healthy. The juice is provided to patients who suffer from cancer, high blood pressure, diabetes, liver troubles, etc. at Hippocrates Health Institute. Now let's make fresh potato juice. If you cut and put potatoes after you wash them like this, you will be able to have fresh potato juice. One more thing here, let's make soy milk and tofu. Wash the beans and soak them in water for about 6 hours. Then put all of them into the feeding chute and press with the fruit pusher. If you add salt in the bean juice after boiling, then it becomes soy milk. If you add salt water and stir it, then it becomes uncurdled tofu. And if you press this uncurdled tofu with cloth on a mold, then it becomes tofu. Now let's make various dishes using the crush screen. Combine the clean gear and press screen. Then use the pulp discharge casing while the adjusting cap has been removed. Next, let's make the fruit ice cream and fruit ice flakes that children like. Place the concave bowl down and put the frozen fruit into the feeding chute. Then press down to the end using the fruit pusher. If you add almonds, raisins, and other ingredients to the ground fruit, natural ice cream with no chemical food additives is created. Add some milk, red beans, and jelly. Then delicious ice flakes are created. Let's grind dried chilies. Grind the chilies with the seeds that are nutritious. If you want more finely ground chili powder, grind a couple more times. You will get pure chili powders without any added metal powders. Also, remember that you can grind aromatic coffee like this. Let's make tasty and spicy condiments. You can make fresh kimchi with spices and condiments by grinding garlic, chilies, ginger, onion, etc. A fresh juice diet is the optimal and safe way to control weight. Also, abundance of calcium contained in vegetables and fruits is highly absorbable, enormously helping children to grow. The Kempo juicer, with which you can prepare fresh juice straight from nature without any destruction of nutrition and healthy dishes. Green Power Kemper will continue to do its best to maintain its reputation as a leading producer of great products in the world.